Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well. So in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about, to give you guys an update on the challenge that we are doing with 4 others agency owners. We are 5 in total, and basically if you didn't watch the last videos about this challenge, is we are trying to generate $10,000 in monthly revenue within 3 months with our agencies. Alright, so I want to update you guys on this challenge. We are today 16 February, alright, 2020, and we have until 1st May to generate, for my part, it will be about 4 clients, right, to get to 6 figures. And yeah, each one of us has different agency, each one of us has a different background. Each story is different, but the results will be the same, right? So I'm really confident that we can get to that point, and that's what I want to document to you guys. So that also it can inspire you, and it can also show you that if you build the right processes, if you have the right strategies, you can also generate this amount. And basically what this business model is about is just to generate cash flow, right? So, you know, it's not that difficult, but you need to outreach clients. It's all about selling and also about delivering great service, because, you know, we don't want to get those clients just for 3 months. We want to get them for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, etc. So to update you on this challenge, guys, as you can see, I'm on the tracking sheet right now. And this is, you know, this is a warm up. This is where we see everything that is happening with our agency. So as you can see, so Alex didn't do a lot of trackings, but I will update you on the data that we get at the moment, that we have at the moment. So we can start with Boyan. All right. So Boyan had the number of meetings done. So he conducted 8 meetings. All right, 8 meetings. So that's really good. In about now it will be 2 weeks, I guess. So in about 2 to 3 weeks, he conducted 8 meetings. So this is really good. And that's what I want to tell you guys. For your agency, you need to meet as many people as possible. Like if you are not generating revenue, it's because you're not meeting enough people, right? And if you're not meeting enough people, it's because your outreach process isn't good. So you need to figure out a way to meet a lot of your, of your potential clients. You need to meet people, because people has the money, and you can exchange that money in exchange of your service, right? You can help them. So Casey conducted 2 meetings, all right. Boyan took 9 meetings in total. For myself, I've conducted 4 meetings. I don't have any more battery here, so I will stay on the computer. So for my part, I conducted 4 meetings, right? 4 meetings, and I've took 8 meetings in total. So, you know, last week I've just done 3 meetings. Like I just, you know, call and got those meetings. I didn't update my tracking on the number of calls, but I've done more calls than that. And for the number of emails, I've done, I guess, 20 more emails than this. So I'm about 80 emails here. Here a little bit more. It will be maybe 60 calls. So, you know, we need to do more. Like, we need to do more. For myself, my pipeline isn't that full at the moment, and I'm really frustrated about it. So I need to generate more meetings. Like, that's the issue for me at the moment. I need to generate more meetings, and for this I need to make more calls. I need to do more emails. Maybe I need to hire a virtual assistant, you know, to generate more emails and to do more calls also. So really good ratio. You know, that's the ratio. You meet 10 people, you will close a good one or 2 deals, you know, 1, 2, 3 deals maybe if you're lucky. But that's the ratio, because a lot of companies that you will meet won't maybe have the advertising budget, maybe they won't be ready. So there are a lot of factors, but meet as many people as possible. That's the message of this video. And that's what I'm planning to do. I just want my pipeline to be as full as possible. So next week, it's Sunday now. So tomorrow, Monday, I'm going to call them. I'm going to get as many meetings as possible. My goal now is 5 meetings per week. So this week I wanted 5 meetings. I've took only 3 meetings. because I didn't do that much calls and that much email. So the problem was my execution. Now I need to execute more, right? And if, as I told you guys, if I meet 50, I'm sure each and every one of us, it's just about this number. If there is 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, I'm sure that there will be 5 clients signed and it will be $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. But this is like, I'm so sure about it. Like I can tell you, like I just need to conduct more meetings and I will make it. I will get to 10K per month, like without any problem in this challenge. So I will fill my pipeline up. And yeah, just to let you know, so this is the week 4. All right, so we have been doing this for a month now, and now those are the goals for next week. So for me, my goal is about 5 meetings. Yeah, 5 meetings for Harry, 15 meetings for Casey. So we have different goals. We have, you know, as I told you, different agencies. But yeah, the issue why so many agency owners are failing is because they can't sell their services in quantities great enough and at prices high enough. Also, we'll update you on this challenge. Very excited about it, and I hope it will inspire you also to conduct meetings and to close them, because at the end of the day, like that's you know, that's all. Like that's the only thing that matters. Like conducting meetings, closing them. After, yeah, at night, if you want, you can focus on your service. On the weekend, you can focus on service delivery. You can focus on your processes. But during the day, conduct meetings, close them. Conduct meetings, close them. Like that's the only things that matters. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for my camera that didn't have any more battery. I will charge it for the next videos. So take care, guys, and I will see you in another video.